POVA 5 Pro 5G is truly a must-have smartphone that offers segment-first 68W ultra-fast charging, which charges your smartphone to 50% in 15 minutes. It comes with industry-first 3D texture design with turbo light that makes you stand out in public and create your own style statement. Its Dimensity 6080 processor with hightest 390K AnTuTu Score in this price range makes it a beast to do multitasking. To enhance the performance, POVA 5 Pro 5G comes 8GB of internal RAM, which can be extended to additional 8GB with memory fusion technology. For enhancing screen view experience, POVA 5 Pro 5G comes with 6.78-inch FHD Dot-in Display with 120Hz refresh rate. When it comes to camera, it offers 50MP AI HD camera and 16MP selfie camera. The device is backed by a 6,000 mAh battery. The handset supports 55W fast charging. Connectivity-wise, the phone has 5G SA/NSA support, dual 4G VoLTE, Wi-Fi 802.11 AC, Bluetooth version 5.1, GPS/GLONASS/Beidou, USB Type-C port, a 3.5mm audio jack, and NFC. The smartphone also has a stereo speaker setup.